Bro, nasa na CR? Nagijingle na ako. Magandang umaga, hapon, or gabi, depending on where you are, and welcome to another vlog. Today we'll talk about Taglish, the unofficial language of the Philippines. At magta-Taglish tayo sa video na ito. So what is Taglish, you may ask, and how it came to be? Bakit ito naging unofficial language sa Pilipinas? It all started a long time ago. From 1521 to 1898, na-occupy ng Spain ang Pilipinas. So that's like roughly 300 years. So na-inherit natin o nabigay nila ang Christianity sa Philippines. So at that certain time, naging Spanish ang national language sa Pilipinas. After that, the Americans came. From 1898 to 1912, yon ang American occupation. Doon natin nakuha ang American system ng education at ang English language. That's why today, official language sa Philippines ay English and Tagalog, or Filipino, which is a standardized version of Tagalog. So at that time, naging English na ang medium of instruction sa schools especially. So ang mga books ay English, like when you study sciences or like different subjects in schools, yung mga books nila ay naging English na, except for subjects which are Filipino. And because there are two languages, the tendency is to code switch between Tagalog and English. Kaya naging acceptable form of communication ang Taglish. So ayun pala yung Taglish. Gets ko na. Gets mo na ba? And here are some examples. Tarolets? Joke lang. Nasaan ang CR? Gets mo? Gets ko. Bro, nasaan ang CR? Nagijingle na ako. Punta na tayo sa birthday party ni friend. Tarolets. Bro, nagiging chubby ka na yata. Skip na yung shirt mo. Joke lang. Namimiss ko na talaga ang Chicken Joy. Kaya, mag-Jollibee na tayo! In certain conversations, for example, where you have to say phone numbers or time, mas convenient to say it in Taglish. It's just easier and we're just more used to it. Ang time na ay 9 oras at 5 minuto. Ang time na 9:05 a.m. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing it. Comment below if you know more Taglish expressions. I'll see you next time. Don't forget... Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to hit like, share if you like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.